7:18 in the morning, and I am in Navarre Beach, Florida. I'm showing you one way first. That's where I just came from. See, they got a little bit of white sand down here on these beaches. Water tower out there. They got these big hotels. As I flip around, yep, you're seeing the Gulf, Mexico, and you see that big red flag there. So you see the red flag is high hazard, high surf and or strong currents. They got some birds down here. Look at these waves out here. They are crashing like crazy, and that is a very big pier. And I guess you can go out on it and be out in the water. And then from up here, a lot of birds down there roosting, looks like. There's a few people sitting on the beach here. Very, very windy. Hopefully you can hear me. And a little bit of coolness in here. It's in the 70s, but that wind is cool. We got big storms moving in tomorrow. It's supposed to get upwards of 3 to 5 inches of rain. But you see that sky there? So it's moving in here a little early. We'll see what happens. Look at that sky. So I'll show you some of this beach. We're going to walk up and down some of it and all that, but you can see it's white sand. So I'll be down on it in a minute and we'll take it from there. All right, hopefully you can hear me. I got this about as close to my mouth as I can have it. We are right out here on the white sand, just so you can see. So a little bit closer to that pier that I showed you in the last clips. People sitting on the beach. We got all these pigeons here. What these are, so pigeons on the beach. You know, almost circle. There goes a seagull. But look at these waves. These are pretty good sized waves when you consider how the Gulf usually is. And there's the pigeons. You see, they don't want to fly. It's too hard for them. But all the way down through here, you see white sand as far as you can see that away. White sand as far as you can see that away. And blowing up, looks like. So we're going to walk some of this and see what it looks like. Beach. Check this out. The creativity of some people. That's his head right there, obviously. Look at that face. Isn't that crazy looking? There the whole thing is, and even show you the beach out there, the water, the Gulf. Let's complete our circle around him. There you go, a sea turtle. There we go, there's a view through. And a view through. Oh wow, the water's really crashing down here. we're going to get down here and take a look through these piers here. That's busted on the other side. Some of these hotels and buildings that I showed you when we first got here. See, we're right here in front of them. That's a great big tall one. And that one right there, that pretty much ends it until you get down through there. But still, white beach as you can see. Plenty of water. There's the pier back there. And then that way again, white beach as far as you can see. And you see the sky still looks kind of scary in spots. All right, we walked down about as far as we're going to go. We're going to go back now. This will more than likely end this video of the Pensacola beach here. Hopefully you've liked it. You see that I'm leaving off with all the full pier. This is as far as I've been to be able to see the whole thing. And here, I just end it with the waves right here. So hopefully you like it. And thumb it up and subscribe, all that good stuff. And we'll let these waves say goodbye to you.